You really go and so you left your yard with the dirty two of them. You really, you don't have no ambition. I mean, you say you're clean, Tina. Me not tell a lie. You know, not even, me say when me look, you know, say look like Chris the two on face. Look, you make all the man them. Look out, you make all the man them a beat you out here, the man then take care of them body. The whole of the planker lady them. You know, say me put up one lady here, me not talk the lady age. Me say the whole of the Tina, you not no shame. Not about you and you out here cause good people will have their money. Me not see no dirty foot, me not tell them like I me that look for see if I could have seen any fault. Me did that look for see if I could have seen any fault. All of the girls them me say all no, me say all of the girls then they stick at me now. Call them ladies and women, them they got girls, you know. Them the prawn girls, the prawn. Me say all of the girl, them people, girls like Nanalyn step out, them foot clean. Everybody down to all Chef Lowton when in the kitchen the whole day till 9 o'clock in the night. The foot then clean and that the dirty foot that you really take up. Tina, you're supposed to name Tina dirty foot. You're advocate for the dirty foot crew because Tina, oh you nasty so. Look for all vanilla where is a blondie. Because I don't like to use the word, you know, I don't really like the word black and white, you know. I just will say the blondie. I'm not a call her blondie. Vanilla don't feel offended, you hear? Yeah, blondie. Look for blondie. Blondie come out and step out and make you look like you not try. Look how the people them look. And you over there sit down on your page. And look how you got a bujuk. And then Tina, where you going a tights ago? Then Tina, you couldn't buy one nice little dress or one nice jeans. Where you wear everywhere you go up in a tights. Where you go there? Tina, where you go in a tights? A gym you go? Mighty, me not tell a lie. You don't come back out here. You gone there then the whole heap of for them like the tights. Like you take up your tights out of the dirty clothes basket. Cause when me look, me see the whole heap of fiber them pan the tights. Look how your foot dirty. And you there on social media trouble people. You really put on that and gone a concert. No wonder you'd have to take a seat in the chair. No wonder you'd have to hide and go. You really care then the dirty foot they got bujuk, them should have put you out. Them should have really put you out. The same dirty but it look like say, you know when time you like in a boot and him just put on in clothes and run go buy the boot. Then when you're done you want to come out you come drag but you go don't wonder you could come yesterday because you're supposed to shame away. Shame you know. Shame your shame. Me can't believe this. I know me shocked. Me can't believe. Me said the girl left me speechless. The girl not have nothing about her, no class. You feel to be a fashion police, you have to have everything intact, my love. Them the dirty foot there, the key you want your foot for scrub. This is why because you sit down and you watch up in a Danabati wall and I watch up in the plank there and you're the first one that put out dirty foot picture. You want to tell me now say a big woman like you. Then you tell me something, you're not a lotion in your house. And let's see, when your foot dirty, you don't care, your lotion it come back white in a while, now your foot have to clean for lotion, stay upon it. It shocked me. You know why it shocked me? She did watch everybody. It shocked me. Me say, when I see the picture a while ago with Tina there at Bujo concert in with the dirty foot. With the and you know what she do? Get up and put up one other picture like he go clean the foot. And when me see the dirty foot, me not tell a lie, me shock. I say I frightened. But if she wants to be a drunker, she can be a headman drunker. She cannot be a low class drunker. At least be a headman drunker. You can't just be a low class drunker like that. Then the foot, they look at the one going out. Boy, me don't know if it's about that. Then the foot there. Then the foot, they want some serious scrubbing. You really took up yourself and go about your concert with them the foot, the nasty Tina. And you out here trouble people. Decent. Half of me never seen no dirty foot planker. Besides foot then dirty, then dirty, then dirty. The foot then dirty like Tina heart. The foot then dirty like King heart, body and soul. You make Chris wear a man. Look how a man them look on Chris. Look me say this man me look on Chris face. Chris face smooth. Like you can't see Chris just scrub him face and shape up him beard. And I go on with himself and Chris a man. Mighty Christ of Daniel, man. Me tired of telling us that Tina don't like him, don't like her. You never hear Tina they come out, come scandal like Tina don't like her. But bad to bad, me not tell a lie. At least she did have on one dress, even though it did have on one split. She did have on one dress and her foot them never dirty. As bad to bad, give her don't tell you know so we're not there. At least her big friend her foot never dirty. You know what I get it a Tina no like beard. Tina come here. Come here Tina, I have a few questions for you. You always have a problem with people's status. Why you look work for your mother for? Why you looking work for your mother? Why you look work for your mother? But Tina at the two Kirk man, two Kirk and one Kevin. One of them a Kirk such and such. When father was a famous man in Jamaica. Where after he sleep with your 2 days and losing life. And the other one where 1 week that one day. And Kevin, then Tina tell me something. A little boy give you herpes man. A little boy give you herpes. A little Kevin give you herpes. Yeah, Tina tell me something. You want to be escort. One of the time you did escort. You want to be escort. You want to be everything because they say you did play the role of a cougar and then cock you up in a car park. A Mingles car park. And give her herpes man. Tina come here. Come here and notice you have a very bad past. Come here. Your mother was a go-go dancer. And your father meet her and because she get pregnant today, your father send her back to school and then she leave your father for another man. And then the man say your mother stagnant. And leave your mother press your stepfather close. I say why you so traumatized? Your mother press your stepfather close. And when your mother press your stepfather close, in leave her and go married to a different man, unfair game play twice. And then she want back your father would take her back and then your mother start to treat you like dog puppy. So me buy it a so me and sell it. I watch the story. That's what I heard. So Tina come here, the renter you meet at Jamaica. Then thing I want make every man I say, and I need you not smell good. Well, me can understand because it seems like you don't do anything. You only walk and watch out, woman, because I say, me get to understand to the renter dread where you meet at Jamaica, where you go down, they go tell him, say, you're a business woman, I want him, leave him, woman, for you. The man say, I'm not leaving him, woman, for you because you underneath don't smell good. Tina, is it true, ma'am? Every man where you get, see that every man where you get, what make them care, what make, Tina, why make you can't keep up, oh, me forget, say you have herpes, Tina, me hear the voice when you talk, say you have herpes from the ear, where you say you contact it, where you contact the herpes, me know about it. So nobody come out here come say a lie. Me know about it, where you say you have, Tina, you're sick, you are sick. When you talk about Kevin, you have nothing about you, no class. You're a drunk crow. You're a drunk crow. You come out, I didn't want to come for you for a Saturday, but I give the award time, you hear me? I give the award time. Tina have herpes, Tina come here. You must go, that's your problem where you have your and then in a car park, in a Mingles car park, Kevin cock you up. You like the man them with the K name, you like KK. Kirk Kevin, nasty and stink and dirty. A big woman like you and then you go on the renter dread. Boy, you want the man to leave him, woman, you're too bright. You're too bright. But in a salt front, then call your man, I know no mermaid, a salt front. A salt front, then call you for the whole heap of incident when happen. A salt front, then call you over New York, the man, because they say a salt. Look how long the Kirk then did and then go sleep with you, so then salt. A salt front, then call you salt front. And who no go to the grave, then go behind the bars. Your front salt. And that's why it stink. With your herpes self. Don't come back out here and argue with nobody. Go look cure for your herpes. Nasty and dirty. Boy, you over there throw stone and I make trouble. Then me say the bitch fool. Who gone start the wet name they gone do the life pan the same way, so like how she make one post pan her post and the same thing when she write pan it, she go write it over same way, so you go and get trouble, you go and get trouble, go and get trouble. Our front sour, cause everybody here Tony Mataran said the liquor boy, I Kevin him at the liquor boy. Pay a little boy you like to play up with. That's why you catch herpes, you're too careless. With your rat in the front. And you out on social media, clap your mouth and not tell be your lie. And see him you can't talk about say Miss Kitty never got done a yard. Me send you back the video. Me post up the video, me know you go see it. Of course, Miss Kitty got done a yard, Grams got done a yard, Wally a celebrity got done a yard. All you never remember say Marcia Griffith's sister did got done a yard. All of them got done a yard, all of them. Through the bell, all of them. Wally celebrity got 99. The last one to leave and go down there was the great chef Noel Cunningham. Go and look about yourself. That's why she always a broke out in a sore, so. She don't busy. She do not busy because she know everything where I go on over Planka shop. She don't busy. Tina don't busy. All Tina do is take people and keep money. I run go down Montgomery Plaza. Run down there comfort zone. Boy, you drive up and down with people. Girl pick me about you now do escort. And a man who know catch you not to walk close. I refuse to talk. No worry, it soon reach her. I refuse to pay the arms out for her father. Workless drunk crow. Worthless and thief off our father burial money. The poor man afraid to go home. Workless dead dog. Which way she shouldn't have nothing about her and no shame. You should have never refer for Donna because I said Donna pass and just spit in your face. Donna pass and just I can't spit in your face Saturday. Saturday night Donna pass and I can't spit in your face. You're supposed to shame. You're supposed to shame. You're supposed to shame. You're supposed. Me wonder how you're supposed to. You're supposed to can't come out. You're there about your concert and you couldn't leave. You couldn't left for social media. You could have never left for it. What do you so nasty thinking, Dranko? Why you always a broke out in a store? Whether what you stomach, your hand, your mouth, all part of you a broke out in a store. Of course you went buju because her foot the dead upon the bench. You see him dirty foot. The same dirty foot one I picture there with the same dirty foot in the same dirty tights. The same dirty foot in the same dirty tights. And you out here every day at your ankles look cleaner than you. You have to know nobody within the foot the past social media go. Them me see at tights. Everywhere you go, you going like you go track. You couldn't buy one jeans. That look like you take it out of the dirty basket because you see the dirty fiber them pan it. And you worry about planker, for you never see no dirty planker there. Everybody beard and clean and nice. Nobody makeup never cake up on them face. Everybody smooth and clean and nice. All of the girls them. She must a track star for cocky. And every cocky run gone left her because nobody don't want Tina with her herpes sour front. Everybody say Tina front don't smell good. Everybody can then say Milton said Tina no like beard. Tina your ex-husband tell me say you don't like beard and you're nasty. Remember saying tell me so the reason why. He said when he know Tina first. And Milton tell me so me never question Milton, me never call Milton, ask Milton no question, and Milton carry on tell me. And me I repeat it. Milton say when he know Tina first, and so me I realize now say Andrew is like, I always think Andrew are the daddy pick me, you know. Andrew, she take in Andrew, she did live in our one project, and Andrew never fit there and then fling them out. Then she go in our house, go live with her daddy. And when he say the chink, them did a buy it up. Chink, for all who don't know chink, it mean bed bugs. Did a buy it up with daddy, and I saw him go take out to Margaret, and because him and I did in another world there. He go buy the house in the daddy name, and then he go a work house, and the drunk crow make them foreclose upon the house. And Milton tell me so me never asked him no question. And so Milton said Tina go have it up with him, he live in Brooklyn. Nobody now follow Tina but our 100 fake page them. Nobody now follow Tina but her fake page. Them assume she come out here Saturday like she did feel say chocolate. It look like somebody must see her and tell her so then say chocolate them I buy the dress. And you come out and say chocolate then step out and you couldn't buy you go drag chocolate. Or you figure drag one woman we have our man for 31 years to live in our own house. We have our business. You always try look for people, you damn idiot. Or you can talk to chocolate. Or you can go talk to chocolate. How you can go talk to chocolate? You can't talk to chocolate, idiot. See, then give you something for drag that. I'm chocolate, ma'am. I only 1 foot of the shoes I want you here because I said me have sore foot and I say it have a little heel. But in the name time, you not really want you send 1 foot of boot come give me. The box I go, you know it I go jumble up. I'm going to beg you, sir, ma'am. Please put 2 jeans and something into the box to post it off for me. I need these shoes. Yes, it's size 10. Me and you wear the same size. So therefore, me and you wear the same size, ma'am, and the only reason why I would beg you know Miss Chocolate, ma'am, because my drawers is size 13 drawers. My drawers big, and I don't think your drawers big like my drawers. You understand? So therefore, Miss Chocolate, ma'am, me not really want you buy no drawers, cause me no want no woman buy no drawers, give me, but you are foreign drawers. I'm like foreign drawers. Next thing you go in a store, go buy big drawers, and then go think I feel your big drawers, and I know to feel your drawers no big like for me because you have brand to protect, so you're not supposed to wear it no big drawers. That's the only reason why me not beg you 2 drawers. So just send 2 jeans come here, ma'am, and 1 handbag. Just send that come for me, please, and thanks, mama. And in the near time, you know, that's why I went to here beg. Because you're gonna send the slippers come and give me. Me only want 1 foot. Me I go ask your mom. Put 1 bottle of cream in it, 1 bottle of lotion in it. You hear, ma'am? And if you see any foot scrub, because you cannot buy it, you're not fantastic. You go give me 1 tip. You hear, Miss Chocolate, ma'am, please and thanks. I make the hard already what I want. Normally I like foreign drawers, but I don't want you buy any drawers to make next you go buy big drawers. And you have brand, you can't buy big drawers because you're not supposed to wear big drawers. So anyway, now back to nasty thinking Tina. We take people their money and now give them a cake. Tina thief and scammer, that's all she do. Workless and careless and don't want PR bill. Cause she got a butcher concert and can bet this land and he wake up him have 1 whole heap of bills there. 1 whole heap of bills, bad mind. Feel like you can say I like all the planka woman then clap you the woman them all buy them ticket for all Canada, England, all both. And me say big Tina, me not tell her like the woman then me say the planka woman then stay then me say a pay kick her back you get. Me say down to the blondie. The blondie just come out for you. Everybody just come out for you. Everybody just come out for you. You're too nasty and dirty, and you put on your clothes from in the day. Can bet you don't wash your front. You don't wash your front. You really then Tina there you can't say you're not nobody, you know. You really go take your dirty foot and put in the people in boot and go and boot you go and sit down. You're nasty. You not have no class. I went you don't want to come out, tell the people them with your bright self. Nothing about tell the germs the ass. And bad man, you can't stop Donna, you can't stop her, you know. You better you go and tag along with her, go and go bake it 2 little dirty cupcake them you make. Cause nobody not buy no cake for you, cause I know you can't show at your business place there. Boy, you take people them wash machine and make KINGSTON. Occupy you to everything, you just itch up over the woman page. Nothing you not do, you're obsessed with the woman. That's why you can't even get to put your foot them in a you don't even look like you spend time because them they sitting there look like a old dirt. You know what your foot them look like when you work in a construction, when the man them are working in a construction and they dust off of the cement. They on their foot. And that your foot look like your foot them all the same your damn foot then tough like a man foot. Oh, you not come here. You're the hermaphrodite or we not come and call it there. Because your foot them just for a woman, your foot then tough. Your foot then just tough like a man foot. Like you're working a construction or you're the wrestling. You know, your foot then tough so for woman foot. Your foot them look like your foot you just look like man. Your foot them tough. Your foot them too tough, man. Nothing about your foot them then just tough so with a big piece of bone in them. How your foot them tough, so? When she go down a Montgomery Plaza, she can't get no escort down there. She go down there with a escort, she can't get no escort. She only have to abuse substance and come home, come ball. No, she iron jackass. In foot them tough like Tina foot them just tough like iron jackass. She don't have nothing good about her, not even her body no good, her body look poil. And we all know so the whole no good because they say right in a Mingles parking lot, Kevin give him herpes in the young little boy give him herpes. You damn lucky herpes you get. You freaking lucky herpes you get and never the age. Too careless. And Ghana Rasta, Ghana Jamaica, what the Rasta man use condom. Rent a dread bout say you want the man for left him woman fear because he is a business woman. Nasty and workless and dirty. No wonder you don't run competition when you get that about who you want for thing there. Just workless and nasty, so. A jackass that man, Jack donkey, something do her. But you tough, nasty and no class about her. Tina no nobody. And lie and bad mind and love run competition with people. Me think tell no like how she have the market at China should have made billions out of cake. And should have on everybody page. Every God Almighty page the dead dog depend. Not even no man can she got Jamaica the Rasta man run her way. But she a business woman, but you want to take with the woman husband. You too out of the woman man. Your eye too red. Boy you have business. You know business at all. At 3 times you married and you could keep one husband. You leave a bad taste in your husband name mouth. And that about her, you know how our life go. I part of sweet me when they say mama was a go-go. And him mama left him daddy after him daddy sent back him mama go to school. And him father is a pedophile to cause mama is a teacher. Her mother is a teenage mother. Your mama, what your mama do in a club? And a big man. And the man sent back her daddy go to school and her mama left the man. Our mama left the man for another man. So the other man when mama left him for, the Tina mama press the man clothes. And the man left Tina mama and got married to another man. And when she want back Tina daddy never want back she. And so Tina mama left Tina on road like dog puppy. Don't love the drunk run and get the little love when get off and him father and he couldn't accept it because he did a run down cocky. 3 times the drunk are married. 3 times. Milton McLeod is the last husband. She not click in the phone them. She they all over. She they all over. Mr. Tina don't even enjoy Buju concert like how she enjoyed. But it's good Tina because me enjoy it too. When you see all the girls them a move up and a go on and you see all Nalele a go on and a dance and a enjoy themselves without you. You're supposed to feel left out. You're supposed to depend. I should have been there. It should have been me because you well up in them. If you never want well up in them, then you would not watch over there. So you know everything. You well want up underneath them. Like mother, like daughter, like granddaughter. Because when they send, when Kesley then in high school, Kesley well breed for them and then you the pitney for adoption. The whole of them is a set of drunk crew. The whole of them. Nothing about those serpents. Yeah, you that problem with everybody, but yet still you ask people for look work for your mother though. So when your mama come do no without papers, your mama work. Tina is no baker, Tina is a faker. A faker. Come out and write up and attack and she not do what she preach. She's no baker, she's a faker, she's a fake drunk crow. Me say all when him see Chef Noel cake when Chef Noel make. My, him supposed to get on it. Me say, hey boy Tina, me don't know how you can take battering so. When you see that a Noel make that a no Google cake. That a no Google cake. No Google cake around here. Yeah, watch Chris, you know, the Chris the America spending money. At 3 weeks, Chris the America, you think you know the DB money that? Animal rent cat, you'd have a problem with it. But in tech, him know the views and in rent car. Chris are living best life. The girl stagnant with you, but coming to think about this, the 25th or the 25th. On the 25th or the 26th, I think on the 25th of July, Chris' birthday. Me not hear Chris, want to the birthday. Chris who make birthday now, me not hear, me not see no big splash I go on. You look like him I got trouble. The girl stagnant before she born. Tina stagnant and sad before she born, but you can drink chocolate. I say when chocolate and vanilla step out, you couldn't do nothing. The woman go back to Jamaica, but the woman man because it look like Tina mother crosses like she. The man did a disadvantage the mother and the mother did to come up and the mother send some tea. Come get Tina for sell. Tina own people and call me and tell me that long time for me over one platform. I remember the story. Me never write it down in my black book. Cause me never want in an argument with this drunk right now. Cause me say she mad. But when she start to bright herself for me and tell lie for me and mix me up with Carol and say, oh me and Carol and then tell me make sure know say look at little girl don't play with me. So Tina now mama go back to Jamaica and go build one house. So the man did down there now and it look like same. I don't know if I a film all age him still a dance go or what. So the man and I never did have problem and the woman send some tea because she knows her daughter stagnant. The woman go send up some tea and so she get the name tea girl. The mama send up some tea and get Tina for sell for buy her ticket. For she come up Tina name of the woman tea money. The half a tea girl life story I've never been told. Come here, look at herpes drunk. Don't play with me, you hear me? Do not play with me because I said I see you. And you come out here and come go on like say you feel like say you can use my late son. Me say when I done with you out here, I'm going to pick out every strand of ear out of the one because I say remember Madonna chop out piece already. Well, if the tea them never did that sell, she should have sent back the woman tea, go give her. The woman have her up, her mama have her up. Not even when Tina mama birthday. Tina mama have to call Tina mother to tell her it's her birthday. For saying Tina don't take care of nobody. Tina don't even take care of her father. Tina is one little nasty serpent. Tina don't know what that confused drunk, you know. Not even cupcake, hey. And when Tina go down at Atlanta Festival, Tina the only somebody, no one knows she never go back. Tina the only somebody go down at Atlanta Festival and not sell off or something them. The only somebody and don't sell off and can't sell off. Nobody now buy nothing from Dirty Tina. See, girl is a stagnant drunk. Boy, you come out and I come go on like Coupon you go on like America for you. I tell you already, you're a burden to the state. You can't stop Chris. And guess what? Noel is coming there very soon. Noel will be doing business over there. He will be doing business over there because they will be flying in Noel for a lot of events. I don't know how you go manage. Noel will be flying in. Then me say, Tina, you want physical contract and business, but through your bad mind, we now put them out. Through your bad mind, so go on, because you must think that you can't stop Noel. The first thing you try to stop the people them and them are flying with them passport from them country and them business and them repetition. When one look at all convict like you, a little nasty convict like you, you are come talk about say, come here nasty Tina. You're out there with your little nasty self. You know say you wicked long time Tina. You know say you was a dealer. You was a dealer. Why you make your two picnic them right letter? You know say them something that make you picnic them stagnant to come here. Tina, why you make your picnic them right letter? You know you was a dealer. Why you go tell it? Why you so lie? Why you go tell the judge? Tina, come here. Why you so lie, Tina? Tina, why you so lie? Oh, you so little lie. You're a ugly little liar. Tina, why you so little lie? Oh, you talk, say, come here. May I ride on with the people come so I forget walk. Tina, oh, you talk and say you're a little nasty dirty serpent. Oh, you say, Tina, come here. Oh, you say. You make it pick me them right letter to the judge and you know say you're a big time dealer. And when you talk about say I would best behave in your right you appeal, no Tina and the man them you give up Tina. You give up till you give up down to the one and girl man. You give up till you give up the one and girl man and send the man them you give up. A people you rat out, you're not right, no appeal Tina, you don't appeal, you're too lie. Noel I got mad then I found out Noel got America all the time. You think I was there the only time Noel got down to Jamaica? Noel travel very regular. Noel travel very regular. Remember Noel work with a big company, so when them ready them fly him out for event and so. Noel travel very, very regular. And for this year, Noel will be in America regular. He will be in New York, he will be in Miami, he will be all over. She will see Noel traveling it. What you think you can't stop nobody from coming there? He will be in America to do his business like what he always does. He have been doing this for years. Where airline and tourist board fly him out. The only them nobody you to choose them can't make use in it, and them now make no money in it at the government man. You me tell you them are government books. Them are government books. You think I joke me I make? Them are government books people. So guess what now? The people them are coming, they come spend them money. I remember so when them fly in Noel in a big hotel, them pay for him crispy hotel, and so them fly them me say, you wait till when time all the next year or two when Miss D goes so rare. Cause remember you know, and Miss D and her kids them are gonna live. Miss D and her kids them don't live like puss and dog. And Miss D and her kids them don't live like puss and dog. And Miss D and her kids them don't live like puss and dog. And Miss D and her kids them don't live like puss and dog. And Miss D and her kids them don't live like puss and dog. And Miss D and her kids them don't live like puss and dog. And Miss D and her kids them don't live like puss and dog. And Miss D and her kids them don't live like puss and dog. And Miss D and her kids them don't live like puss and dog. And Miss D and her kids them don't live like puss and dog. And Miss D and her kids them don't live like puss and dog. And Miss D and her kids them don't live like puss and dog. And Miss D and her kids them don't live like puss and dog. And Miss D and her kids them don't live like puss and dog. And Miss D and her kids them don't live like puss and dog. And Miss D and her kids them don't live like puss and dog. And Miss D and her kids them don't live like puss and dog. And Miss D and her kids them don't live like puss and dog. And Miss D and her kids them There are one big happy family. She go want a room for Ladine. She go want a room for Joshy, one for each daughters. She want one for herself, and you don't know, so she go want one that if in case that's mommy, that's mother can come to. So you know, so that's gonna be a big house, and you know, so she not going to live anywhere. So you know, say a big house I go buy. Cause Joshy bedroom I fit there, you know see it. But you know, say a big house I fi go buy, and the money I got there because everybody will be working. The only people who will not be working, it will be 4 out of the 6. Come here, Tina, make I tell you where I go on. Let me come tell you where I go on. Donna and him pick me them in another year or 2 because you can see so them have good credit already, because if they never have good credit, them couldn't go rent. Them mother come up and then go rent somewhere in a gated community fear. So come here, make you start take your medication for now that you not have to drop down and faint out here because it will be coming. Donna son in the army, Donna 2 daughters them working, and Donna is making money. The only 2 them when have no income is Joshy and her mother, and it is okay. It is okay. It is okay. So she go buy a house in a bedroom for everybody. So guess what now? She not go buy no DBD way, nothing like a container. She not buy, so she go buy one house. She and I pick them. And then you know, say then the time they know Donna I go show you how workless you is, because they say Donna go come buy house of foreign. She and I pick them.